What a tough day for this car. First submerged and now splashed by a passing truck. The way the driver manages those massive loads shows real expertise. A unique location, a unique method, and a uniquely lucky driver. You wouldn't believe what happened during the helicopter tow. It was a total catastrophe, but thank goodness everyone is okay. In a moment of danger, he was like a guardian angel, helping the tanker driver leap to safety right before the truck went over. Summoning a monster from its slumber is no easy feat, especially when it stubbornly wants to keep sleeping. What a daunting task. Watch and learn. This is how you make sure the truck is completely empty. Forgetting to lower the dump truck bed? This driver must have a goldfish brain. Great work, driver. Your quick and confident actions made all the difference. He's the top driver. His skillful maneuvers got the truck over the notorious nasty hill, a challenge no one else has conquered yet. Here's the JCB loader in action, diligently working to clear a mountain road obstructed by a major landslide. Cutting cliffs with a Kobelco SK200 excavator in a sand mine. This operator's skill is incredible. Sensing a landslide with just gut feel is truly admirable. Stay safe. The process of pulling this excavator up was more demanding than it looks. The Hyundai synced perfectly with the supervisor to pull off the rescue. Oh my gosh, this has to be the most heart-stopping moment of the day. Thank goodness Lady Luck was on their side and kept them safe after that horrifying incident. This is the worst nightmare when lifting heavy objects. Crane tipping while hoisting a Christmas tree. Luckily, everyone is safe. Ouch! Amazing power, Cat. When it comes to power, the Cat bulldozer reigns supreme. Not even a colossal rock can stand its ground. This vehicle has really hit a streak of bad luck. There's no coming back from this one. It's like the wheel loader hit the pause button, standing still until its friends came to support it back to action. What a sight. Wind turbines might look small from afar, but trust us, each blade is gigantic. There was a hiccup during delivery, but luckily everyone came out safe. Even if you stop at a red light, bad luck seems to find you another way. Red truly symbolizes danger. Number 6, Komatsu 960E. Before being replaced by the 980E4, the 960E1 was Komatsu's largest and highest capacity cargo truck. This behemoth of a haul truck is equipped with a cutting-edge dual AC electric drive system powered by the Komatsu Cummins SSDA 18 Vo 175 18 engine, delivering a staggering 3,500 horsepower. Its ability to transport up to 360 short tons ensures farmers save time, effort, and costs while maintaining high product quality and boosting overall productivity. Number 7, Cat 798 AC. The Cat 798 AC electric drive truck hauls up to 410 tons with superior efficiency, controllability, and reliability. It's built to enhance productivity with a high payload capacity of up to 372 tons per load, high-speed capability on grades, and easier maintenance. Operators benefit from greater visibility thanks to the wide field of view from the cab and the radial retard grid that improves the right-hand view. Number 4, Liebherr T282. The Liebherr T282 is a luxury off-highway haul truck with a rigid frame, 2 axles, a diesel-electric engine, and an AC drive system. It is designed and manufactured in the United States by Liebherr Mining Equipment Company. The truck has a payload capacity of up to 330 metric tons, 360 short tons, and is specifically built for high-productivity mining applications worldwide. Number 5, Tribine T1000. The Tribine T1000 represents the pinnacle of harvesting technology. With a capacity of 1,000 bushels and an unloading rate of over 500 bushels per minute, this machine significantly reduces the need for grain carts, saving you time and labor costs. Its ability to operate for 24 hours straight without refueling is a game changer, allowing you to make the most of every harvest season. This is a must-have for large-scale farming operations looking to maximize productivity. The lift axle was overwhelmed and couldn't lift the heavy weight any longer. It failed and needs to recover. Proper load calculations are essential. He was lucky to jump out of the excavator just before it tipped over. Lady Luck was definitely on his side. Like my grandpa dropped his denture in his soup. Looks like this was done on purpose, not just an accidental truck tire blowout. Pulling an excavator out of ice-cold water? That's one tough job. Hope they succeed. With the ground becoming increasingly slippery and tricky on this hilly terrain, the driver did an amazing job. I can't imagine how scared he must have been. The moment the excavator tipped over was absolutely shocking. Thankfully, no one was inside. It's not just any slope that's easy, and not every driver has the finesse to manage it. Wow, that truck collapsing into the river was intense. The whole scene was like a disaster film unfolding before our eyes. Thank God, everyone made it out okay. Persistence paid off. The Cat excavator is out of the icy pit after a determined effort. Remember, we're here to unload the cargo, not the whole truck. Choose a better spot next time, driver. Wow, that dump truck flyback unloading was wild. 2 Komatsu dozers working in tandem for such a deep recovery. Impressive teamwork. When it comes to power, power, the Cat bulldozer reigns supreme. Not even a colossal rock can stand its ground. This vehicle has really hit a streak of bad luck. There's no coming back from this one. It's like the wheel loader hit the pause button, standing still until its friends came to support it back to action. What a sight. This is what happens when you forget to unhook the safety latch at the rear. The excavator really put in the effort to drag that truck with all its might. Three cranes were needed to unload just one ace from the truck. Now that's a heavy-duty operation. Here we are at the dramatic face-off between the B-14 and Cat B-7R2. Let the clash begin. In these slippery, snow-covered conditions, remember to keep your speed in check. Safety comes first. The way he uses the log on the ground to lift the larger one is amazing. Like a kid who loves playing in the rain, this truck joyfully splashes through the puddle. Don't be fooled by their size. These tiny cars have incredible strength and can lift up even the heaviest of vehicles. Mega Mez 34. With its powerful 34 cubic yard capacity and precision-engineered components from Caterpillar IR, the Mega Mez 34 elevating scraper excels in demanding environments. Designed to handle extensive earth-moving operations, it measures approximately 22 feet long, 10 feet wide, and stands 11 feet tall. This machine guarantees superior performance, making it a standout choice for construction and mining projects. Pricing typically starts around $500,000, depending on configuration and additional features. Sandvik LH5 ATB. Check out the Sandvik LH5 ATB. This battery electric loader boasts an 18-ton payload and a unique battery swapping system for quick refueling. Despite initial concerns, its total cost of ownership rivals that of diesel loaders, thanks to lower fuel and maintenance costs. Priced around $1.5 million, it's a smart, eco-friendly investment for any mine. Flipscreen WL285's performance. With a 2.85 meter capacity and a 75mm mesh, it screens 480 tons per hour. It's perfect for dual shifts, gravel by night, silage by day. At about $80,000, it's a must-have for any heavy-duty operation. Worth every penny for the productivity boost. Snowplow train. Ever seen a snowplow train in action? The rotary snowplow, about 70 tons, can tackle deep, hard-packed snow effortlessly. Ideal for mountainous regions, this powerhouse costs around $1.5 million. Perfect for keeping tracks clear and safe, especially during heavy snowfall. Tesmec 975 EVO. This 30-ton beast excels in rocky landscapes, making it ideal for fiber optic and pipeline projects. With its automatic laying system and Trenchtronic 5.0, it ensures efficiency and durability. Manufactured in Italy, it's available for about $500,000. Say hello to the Workden W1000F. This 27-ton milling machine with a 1-meter cutting width and 320mm depth is perfect for road repairs. Built for reliability and efficiency, it's a great addition to any fleet. Available for about $400,000, it's worth every penny for top-tier performance. Introducing the Great All XL 4200, a versatile industrial crawler designed for challenging environments. Powered by a Volvo engine meeting global State of 4 and Tier 4 final emission standards, it excels on rocky, sandy, and uneven terrains. With a dual-range high-torque piston motor and advanced planetary drive, it offers exceptional maneuverability and stopping power. Built with dimensions suited for tight spaces and priced competitively for its class, the XL 4200 ensures reliability and efficiency in complex industrial projects. Liebherr L542 wheel loader for unmatched reliability and productivity. With its 2.5 mil 3 bucket and fuel-saving lead hair power efficiency, this $150,000 machine from Germany ensures seamless operation and maximum uptime. It's more than equipment. It's a partner in business success. Bell AZ7571. This truck is the size of a house. Can you imagine seeing this thing rolling down the highway? The Bell AZ75710 is over 67 feet long and weighs more than most tanks. It's crazy that it can even move, let alone haul that much weight. Engineering is wild. Oh, and did I mention it costs about $6 million? That's a whole lot of truck. $1,500E, a robust solution in railcar moving technology. Weighing a mere 4 tons and priced competitively, it effortlessly pulls up to 300 tons with its 7.5 kilobar AC brushless motor. Equipped with a hydraulic system for seamless road-to-rail transitions and compact dimensions, it ensures precision and efficiency in every operation, setting a new standard in the industry. Watch as the excavator carefully drags the malfunctioning dump truck into the trench. The shipment crossed the road smoothly. Great job ensuring safety. What a nail-biter. The excavator seemed on the brink of disaster, but it managed to land safely. An excavator emerges from the river, lifted by a bigger machine, set for inspection and restoration on land. Out of all the possible roads, he decided to take the hardest route. That's one way to test your skills. Total lack of synchronization between machines. This is how they will take out the combination in the fall. A true marvel, the Ural 375 for transporting pipes is unmatched in its category. With its immense power, Ural proves to be an outstanding choice for heavy-duty tasks. Wow, even in the midst of all this chaos, the driver keeps smiling. Even as a driver, I wouldn't think of attempting this. Hats off to the courage. Talk about a dramatic workday. The Komatsu D65E bulldozer lost control and ended up in the water. Amazing teamwork by the Cat 320D and Komatsu D85P for the recovery. Amazing demonstration of Newton's first law of motion by the driver. The load maintained its speed until something else acted on it. Didn't think that would go so smoothly. 62 tons on a 40-ton dragnet, with no extended platform and sagging tracks under the insane overload. A crazy sight, only possible here. This LKT-81 Turbo is a beast when it comes to dragging logs through tough terrain. Witness the dramatic rescue of a Bournemouth digger stuck in the sand. A real test of quick thinking and teamwork. "30 seconds of nail-biting action as a giant truck carefully crosses a narrow, adaptable bridge. Incredible job by the excavator. The 70-foot silo came down with perfect accuracy and skill.
Story no oil, you can put it on YouTube.
The watermelon conveyor belt minimizes physical movement, allowing workers to carry out tasks efficiently without excessive mobility. The Maestro SVSX redefines seed wagon technology with its proven concept for all crops. Offering reliable singulation and easy operation, it ensures precise seeding at speeds up to 12 km/h airback or 15 km/h airspeed. With features like autoforest for optimal seed embedding, it's perfect for any soil condition and seeding method. Versatile and efficient, it's your go-to choice for seamless planting. On a chicken farm, John uses the XO robot to clean poultry coops. When it is necessary to disinfect an area, the XO robot automatically moves and completes the task quickly. The potato harvest in his fields was so chill. The solution to the most dreaded task, a remote-controlled machine for mixing organic fertilizers. Say farewell to manual labor as it streamlines the process efficiently. Embrace the future of farming with this groundbreaking technology. Harvesting watermelons is in full swing at a remote farm in northern Australia, with a team of strong young men working tirelessly. This machine is engineered to efficiently remove aquatic weeds and debris from water bodies, ensuring clear and clean waterways. From arugula to spinach, from cabbage to iceberg lettuce, including aromatic herbs such as basil and mint. The Varan 470 Terra TR is a robust 4-row self-propelled harvester with high-grip rubber wheels for stability, even in tough terrain. Its 7-ton bunker with rotating grid ensures efficient storage. Customizable with various sorting options, it integrates MyGrime for data management and SmartView for clear real-time monitoring, enhancing both productivity and safety. The Ropa Tiger 8 is a top-tier beet harvester, featuring a powerful engine and precise cutting system. It delivers high productivity, capable of harvesting hundreds or even thousands of tons of beets per day. Highly regarded for its performance and reliability, it's an indispensable tool for modern American farmers and agricultural enterprises. Wind turbines might look small from afar, but trust us, each blade is gigantic. There was a hiccup during delivery, but luckily everyone came out safe. Even if you stop at a red light, bad luck seems to find you another way. Red truly symbolizes danger. So this is how they inflate car tires. Unreal. The excavator is digging into that sand cliff with such power and control. Truly a sight to see. Just as it crossed the bridge, this Komatsu seemed eager to get off, tripping right away. Luckily, no one was hurt. Oh my god, one wrong move led to an unforeseeable accident. Thankfully, the driver is safe. The #1 driver skills have taken this truck into the world record books for long jumps. That truck found itself quite the unexpected parking spot. Luckily, no one was hurt when the ground gave way. Luck abandoned this vehicle at the very last moment. The power and skill of excavators always leave us feeling curious and incredibly amazed. A unique location, a unique method, and a uniquely lucky driver. You wouldn't believe what happened during the helicopter tow. It was a total catastrophe, but thank goodness everyone is okay. In a moment of danger, he was like a guardian angel, helping the tanker driver leap to safety right before the truck went over. The lift axle was overwhelmed and couldn't lift the heavy weight any longer. It failed and needs to recover. Proper load calculations are essential. He was lucky to jump out of the excavator just before it tipped over. Lady Luck was definitely on his side. Like my grandpa dropped his denture in his soup. So this is how they inflate car tires. Unreal. The excavator is digging into that sand cliff with such power and control. Truly a sight to see. Just as it crossed the bridge, this Komatsu seemed eager to get off, tripping right away. Luckily, no one was hurt. Oh my god, one wrong move led to an unforeseeable accident. Thankfully, the driver is safe. Looks like this was done on purpose, not just an accidental truck tire blowout. Pulling an excavator out of ice-cold water? That's one tough job. Hope they succeed. Summoning a monster from its slumber is no easy feat, especially when it stubbornly wants to keep sleeping. What a daunting task. Watch and learn. This is how you make sure the truck is completely empty. Forgetting to lower the dump truck bed? This driver must have a goldfish brain. This job can't be rushed. What a tough day for this car. First submerged and now splashed by a passing truck. The way the driver manages those massive loads shows real expertise. The way he uses the log on the ground to lift the larger one is amazing. Like a kid who loves playing in the rain, this truck joyfully splashes through the puddle. Don't be fooled by their size. These tiny cars have incredible strength and can lift up even the heaviest of vehicles. If you enjoyed these incredible moments, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for updates on our newest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Mr. Tech. Ultimately, those slender ropes couldn't bear the immense weight of the 40-ton crane. This is what you get when an excavator decides to play with a massive stone. Hard at work in a marble quarry, this Caterpillar Cat 988B loader proves that age is just a number. Listen to that engine roar. A risky job made riskier by being so close to the cliff. Always prioritize safety. So this is the beast that helps workers swiftly demolish colossal structures. Incredible. The Menzie Muck M545X proves that no task is too tough. Watching this operator at work is a masterclass in skill. In a dramatic moment, a garbage truck caught fire when hydraulic fluid sprayed onto the exhaust from a burst line. Fortunately, the fire was short-lived, and the driver is completely fine. The skill of these operators is evident. No trouble at all handling those large rocks. The river crossing test for these Jeeps was intense, especially after their dramatic rescue. Drivers need to be extra careful and brake well on winding roads. Thankfully, it was just the planter that got damaged. Security cameras captured the moment a parked car fell into a sinkhole in Ankara. The local community quickly reported the incident to the police and fire department. The car was eventually removed by the response teams. I have learned many things in my life as a driver. One of them is this: if you are stuck in the sand, then a shovel is your best friend, and digging a lot is useful.
О, Анатолий Чернов у нас тут в главной роли. Пора слазить бульдозеру. Поехали, проехали.
Among the most risky skills, rock breaking is a major challenge for any excavator operator, ranking in the top 10. One excavator pushing while the other jackhammered the base was absolutely intense. The operators were fearless, or at least they acted that way, until everything was done and we could finally exhale. What a fun process to witness. The K700 tractor worked wonders with its astonishing terrain rescue capabilities. It pulled its trapped teammate from the mud quickly and efficiently. This tractor's power is truly admirable. Getting around a construction site can be tricky, especially when you're also unloading. Hopefully the driver's fine. Such tense moments as the Cat 320 D2L excavator goes down a steep incline. It's one of the most hazardous tasks, yet the operator looks like they're having the time of their life. The ZL135 easily navigates the roughest terrain thanks to its 8-wheel drive. While it looks risky to us, the driver's expertise makes it seem like a walk in the park. This is what happens when you take a corner too fast with a trailer full of big bales. Impressive. Persistence paid off. The Cat Excavator is out of the icy pit after a determined effort. Remember, we're here to unload the cargo, not the whole truck. Choose a better spot next time, driver. Wow, that dump truck flyback unloading was wild. 2 Komatsu dozers working in tandem for such a deep recovery. Impressive teamwork. Number 5, Pond Sea Scorpion King. What an impressive piece of machinery. The Pond Sea Scorpion King's advanced crane and frame design provide unparalleled stability and visibility, even in the most challenging environments. The powerful engine and customizable options make this harvester a top contender for any forestry task. It's no wonder it's the best-selling machine in its category. Number 6, Luffing Tower Crane CTL 1666. Need a crane that can handle the big jobs? Look no further than the CTL 1666. This beast can lift up to 66 tons and still manage 16 tons at the max jib length of 75 meters. With Terex Power Plus and Power Match technology, it's not just about brute force. This crane offers efficiency and control like no other. Whether you're working on skyscrapers or large-scale infrastructure, the CTL 1666 is your go-to crane. Number 7, the Jaipur R131 FDR Giga is a powerhouse in quarry operations. With a throughput of up to 400 th and a massive GIPO pulverizer, it's designed to crush even the most challenging materials with ease. The absence of electric components adds to its durability, making it ideal for tough environments. A top-notch choice for high-quality limestone processing. Number 8, the A340-500 was a true workhorse for ultra-long-haul flights. With a maximum takeoff weight of 380 tons and a range of 90,200 nautical miles in its IGW version, it was a game-changer for airlines like Emirates and Singapore Airlines. The engineering behind this plane was remarkable. From its powerful engines to its spacious cabin, every detail was crafted for those marathon flights across the globe. Though it's no longer in the skies, the A340-500's impact on aviation is undeniable. Number 1, Komatsu PC4000 Power and Precision. The Komatsu PC4000 packs a punch with its 1,875 HP engine and 22 M3 shovel capacity, making it a key player in any mining operation. The customizable design and durability engineered into this machine ensure it stands up to the toughest conditions. Perfectly paired with 150-240 scene trucks, it's all about maximizing efficiency and reducing costs. Number 2. Wow, the Liebherr 1984 is an absolute giant in the world of heavy machinery. With a powerful diesel engine pumping out 400-500 horsepower, this hydraulic excavator can handle the toughest jobs in mining and large-scale construction. Its massive 100-ton operating weight and 6.5 cubic meter bucket capacity make it perfect for moving tons of material in a single scoop. Number 3, Cinnabogan 6140. When it comes to heavy lifting, the Cenobogan 6140E HD doesn't disappoint. With its 140T maximum load capacity and 24T across a 20mm radius, this duty cycle crane is built for serious work. Whether you're handling clamshells, dragline buckets, or diaphragm wall grabs, the robust boom and powerful engine ensures smooth and efficient operation. Number 9. Wow, the Liebherr LB44 is a monster in the drilling world. This rig can dig up to 120 meters deep with ease, thanks to its 510 kN of torque. And let's talk about that 677 horsepower V8 engine. This machine is all about power and precision. Whether you're drilling in challenging terrains or working on high-profile projects, the LB44 won't let you down. This is serious machinery for serious work. Number 10. The Kairops 16T is a true marvel of engineering from the 60s and 70s. With its electric drive system powered by wound rotor motors, this pedestal crane can handle heavy lifting with precision. The 4-speed control, managed by adjusting external resistances, makes it a reliable choice even today. Number 11, Jecko JF545. The future of tracked cranes is here with the Jecko JF45. This model offers an impressive max load of 15,500 kilonewton and can reach heights of up to 32.5 meters. The 30-meter radius allows for exceptional range and flexibility. Mounted on a self-propelled track vehicle, it's designed for optimal performance in challenging environments. Jecko is redefining what's possible in crane technology. Operator system and automatic bale loader. It streamlines operations, saving time and costs. Its innovative design ensures easy pickup and delivery of bales, while features like side panels and a tilting trailer enhance stability and safety. Experience efficiency without compromise with the FSX series Artisan Auto Stack. In the rolling vineyards, Robot Bacchus gracefully navigates, meticulously selecting and harvesting ripe grapes. Its advanced technology blends seamlessly with traditional winemaking, promising a fruitful future for viticulture. The Valtra T2554 tractor, with its powerful engine and flexible design, is a reliable machine for plowing fields. The spacious and comfortable cabin, combined with the durability and reliability of the Valtra brand, creates an ideal tool for farmers looking to optimize agricultural production. Developing technology helps farmers no longer have too much trouble harvesting sweet potatoes. With this machine, cleaning the garden is no longer a difficult worry. Looking for the perfect chemical sprayer for your orchard or vineyard? The Vineyard Sprayer is the ultimate solution. Crafted with high-quality Italian components, this ideal vertical sprayer is built for long-lasting durability. Trust me, it's engineered to meet a variety of spraying needs across vast landscapes. A perfect combination. This revolutionary banana cableway system, it's a game changer for banana harvesting, ensuring smooth transport from field to factory without any damage. Say goodbye to bruised and scratched bananas. This innovation not only preserves the fruit's quality, but also boosts productivity and profitability for banana growers. It's a win-win for both farmers and consumers alike. Watch and witness the future of banana harvesting. Number 12, Mega MBD 100. If you're looking for a heavy-duty dump trailer that's both robust and versatile, the Mega Bottom Dump Trailer MBD 100 is your go-to. This rig model is perfect for construction and mining works, offering seamless integration into any 3D project with its detailed textures and high-resolution design. It's built for tough jobs and looks incredible in renders. What more could you ask for? Number 13, Bombardier 4 and 15. With a max takeoff weight of nearly 20,000 km and a cruising speed of 359 km per h, the Bombardier 415 is built for tough missions. Its short takeoff and landing capabilities on both water and land set it apart from other firefighting aircraft. Equipped with the Honeywell EFS and Primus II systems, this plane delivers precision and efficiency. Whether it's fighting fires or providing disaster relief, the CL-415 is a true workhorse in the sky. Number 14, the TRT ESS Source 8 is a serious piece of equipment for heavy-duty transport. Its 8 axles with 45-degree steering on either side of straight ahead offer exceptional control and flexibility. The live, fully compensating hydraulic gooseneck and patented Quick Connect system are just the icing on the cake, making it easy to adapt to different load requirements. With an impressive deck length of 18.9 meters, this rig is built for the toughest jobs. Number 15, meet the Ripsaw EV2, where high-end luxury meets battlefield readiness. This isn't just any tank, it's equipped with a robust 600 HP engine and a sophisticated 12-inch suspension for superior mobility. Each EV2 is crafted with precision, taking around 3,500 hours to complete. It's designed for those who demand both style and performance. Whether on the field or off-road, truly a standout in the world of military vehicles. One excavator pushing while the other jackhammered the base was absolutely intense. The operators were fearless, or at least they acted that way, until everything was done and we could finally exhale. What a fun process to witness. The K700 tractor worked wonders with its astonishing terrain rescue capabilities. It pulled its trapped teammate from the mud quickly and efficiently. This tractor's power is truly admirable. Getting around a construction site can be tricky, especially when you're also unloading. Hopefully the driver's fine. Such tense moments as the Cat 320 D2L excavator goes down a steep incline. It's one of the most hazardous tasks, yet the operator looks like they're having the time of their life. The ZL-135 easily navigates the roughest terrain thanks to its 8-wheel drive. While it looks risky to us, the driver's expertise makes it seem like a walk in the park. This is what happens when you take a corner too fast with a trailer full of big bales. The Menzi Muck M545 with the power of a 20-ton excavator, despite weighing 10.7 tons, is an engineering marvel. But the operator's courage to handle it on that extreme slope is just amazing. Tricky recovery on Highway 270, west of Hot Springs, Arkansas. An old Kenworth log truck tipped and got stuck in a curve, blocking the road for 35-40 minutes. With such a heavy load, it's no wonder the driver struggled to get the truck uphill. He did an impressive job as a pro. An exhilarating truck test saw the Mercedes-Benz 888 excel in every aspect. This vehicle truly demonstrated its impressive capabilities. Kudos to the fearless driver. The oil tank made things tough, but his bravery and handling were exceptional. Instead of a hero, he seems like just a goofy guy on the beach. Number 1. Excavator KU-800 from Unikovska Strojierny is an absolute behemoth. Standing at 52 meters tall and stretching over 170 meters long, weighing around 4,400 tons, which is equivalent to 131 Boeing 737s, this excavator is one of the largest self-propelled machines ever made. Its 12.6 meter diameter wheels are equipped with 15 buckets, each holding 1,000 liters. Simply incredible. The engineering behind this machine is astonishing. Imagine the power and precision needed to handle such a giant. It's designed to tackle the toughest excavation tasks with ease. Number 2. Hitachi EEX 8006. The Hitachi EX 8006 redefines heavy machinery with a weight of 837 tons. Standing tall at 10 meters and stretching 8 meters wide, it's essentially a mobile 3-story building. The EX 8006's massive 43 cubic meter bucket can scoop up earth, equivalent to 6 11-ton trucks in a single go. Its twin Cummins QSKT 60C engines, each pumping out 1,940 horsepower, ensure it moves mountains with ease. This is the future of excavation technology. Number 3. Bucket Chain Excavator, RK5000. The RK5000 bucket chain excavator is a true giant in the world of heavy machinery. Built in 1983 in Czechoslovakia, this beast weighs over 5,600 tons and requires 6 operators to function. Its sheer size and power are mind-blowing, with the ability to shift 4,450 cubic meters of overburden per hour. Unlike other excavators that use caterpillar tracks, the RK5000 walks on feet, adding to its unique appeal. Watching it in action is like seeing a piece of history come alive. The number 1 driver's skills have taken this truck into the world record books for long jumps. That truck found itself quite the unexpected parking spot. Luckily, no one was hurt when the ground gave way. Luck abandoned this vehicle at the very last moment. The power and skill of excavators always leave us feeling curious and incredibly amazed.